Welcome back to Plant Layout in pursuit of operational excellence, an InvestNI video tutorial. So far we've looked at plant layout in the context of manufacturing. In this chapter we'll look at a few ways you can apply these principles to operations in other sectors. Service businesses such as restaurants or hospitals are much more customer-facing than factories. Here, the customer is part of the workflow, so the layout is focused on their satisfaction, with efficiency implications for the operation itself. The workspace needs to look attractive and provide some comforts in addition to operating well. Forecasting the workload can be difficult because demand is often seasonal, resulting in widely varying cycle times from one period to the next. Service providers, unlike factories, deliver intangible goods, which means that adjusting production to demand cannot be achieved through inventory management alone. You can use layout principles to organise workflows in an office, although here the emphasis is on information rather than materials. The process stages in an office are placed where information is exchanged, such as individual conversations, telephone calls and chat services, mail and other physical documents, email, meetings and discussion groups. In a retail environment, sales are directly related to exposing the customer to as many products as possible, whilst ensuring that their experience is comfortable. Supermarkets will tend to display goods for everyday consumption at the margins of the store, while putting impulse purchases and high profit margin products in prominent places. Some shops shepherd their customers through as much merchandise as possible by making it difficult to move from one part of the shop to another without seeing all the products in between. Think of IKEA's maze-like shop floor. A successful retail layout takes a global approach to organising the available space. Attractive products are interspersed between ones that sell less well. The ends of the rows provide extra space to display goods. The first section that customers encounter is carefully curated to present the best image of the business. Material handling plays a particularly important role in warehousing, so logistics operations benefit greatly from good layout. It can help to increase the use of each cubic metre of space. Whatever line of business you're in, you can benefit from the principles of good layout. That concludes Plant Layout in pursuit of operational excellence. We hope you find it useful. Remember that if you're planning to design a new layout for your operations, InvestNI can help you with tailored, practical advice. Visit us at investni.com to learn more.